Hi guys, just doing a quick unboxing of a case for my new Palm phone that I got free on Verizon. A lot of people thought that I got sponsored by Palm to do this. No, but I actually got this free. So anything you see on my channel is actually what I say it is. Anyway, let me go ahead and unbox this. And I actually left my Palm phone for about 2 days. I just left it all. I didn't use it. Oh, their face on not working well. It only lost 55. It only lost half. So it's a good standby phone, I think. And let's go and unbox it. This is called the Supcase Unicorn Beetle. Just gonna be just a quick unboxing. I know but there's not too many cases you can buy online. And actually, Verizon reps were trying to sell me a similar case for 30 bucks, but I got this on Amazon for $14.99. Let's see how good it is. And yeah, it fits real good. I'll give you a little close up. And I may be doing a lot of these quick videos. Is that sorry, let me clean up this. On my High on Android channel here. This is my sub channel, by the way, guys. Because I get a lot of accessories, but I can't really do videos, but I've got my new 4K encoder on my PC, so I can quickly make them and just upload them. So I'll try to have a lot of cases and stuff, extra stuff here. And also I may be doing more of my ROM videos like before back on here, because I want to really just focus on review videos on my main channel. But yeah, looking at this, it's going to give you a very good lens protection, as you can see here. So when you drop it, it's going to protect your lens. And very good lip. It does make it a slightly bulky, but not too bad. You got a microphone cut out there. Very nice cutouts for the bottom, and also another microphone there. And easy access to the button there. So yeah, I would definitely get this case. This is like one of the only cases you can get right now on Amazon. There's a bunch of cases in the Verizon store, but I will not get it. Like I said, you're just gonna pay 30 bucks for, you know, pretty much the same thing. And yeah, you can see through the Palm. Supcase looks pretty good, fits well. Highly recommend it. Use my link in the description if you want to get this. It won't cost you any more, but it'll help me out a little bit. And have a great day. And I'm working on my Pixel 3 review on my main channel, so check that out. And as always, stay
home on Android.
And don't buy an iPhone. It sucks.